Planting trees is a profound commitment to the future. With careful placement and dedicated effort, these silent sentinels breathe life into our planet. Each tree offers the earth shelter, shade, and a beacon of hope. Our dedication to cultivating a greener world runs as deep as their roots. The planting of an evergreen transforms environmental and human aspirations, and even future possibilities, into reality.
This tree is looking good. I think it is planted very well. Walaikum assalam. Well, would you look at these trees? These are planted very well.
Oh,
Well, this tree is decaying very fast.
oh, that's pretty interesting.
Well, how are you doing?
Well, I'm doing really great. How about you?
Well, I am doing fantastic. Do you know what day is today?
I know it's Tree Plantation Day.
Yes, you're correct. Well, do you know why planting trees is beneficial for us?
Oh, I know that one. Well, trees are beneficial for us because when we plant a tree, it gives us oxygen and they helps us to live, and we give them carbon dioxide to let them live. And then when it's summertime or summer season, we stand under a tree and gives us a shade.
Well, I remember sitting under a tree a while ago.
Oh, well, another one is that when we plant more trees, then it rains more often.
Well, you're correct. When we plant more trees, it rains a lot often, creating new grasses and making our environment greener and more cleaner.
Yes.
Well, another point is that when we look into a tree, we can see that there are tiny birds and insects that live in there,
Oh, such as?
such as ants and birds.
Oh,
Well, when we cut down these trees, these animals have no place to live and they become extinct slowly day by day.
that's sad.
So I think we should plant more trees.
Yes, I agree with you. We should plant more trees.
Well, there's a proverb. If you cut one tree, you have to plant 5 trees. As it is Tree Plantation Day today, I think we should plant some trees today to save our environment from pollution. So let's go.
Trees are life, trees are green.
Let's keep our environment safe and clean.